Yeah. So let's start. In this course, we are going to discuss master Snowflake with DBT. Okay. Master Snowflake with DBT. In this first, we'll start with master Snowflake, master Snowflake, and then next we are going to discuss DBT for Snowflake too. DBT for Snowflake. And for this course, we require prerequisites. So we need one SQL for Snowflake and DBT. And then second one, AWS for any cloud knowledge. So here we are going to discuss AWS for Snowflake team. So these are prerequisites we are going to discuss as part of this course team. And along with this one, we are going to discuss free classes for regular students. I am going to take one Python integration with yeah, Python integration with Snowflake, and second one PySpark integration with Snowflake. So here, first, let me explain ETL operations. ETL operations. First, we are going to see with Snowflake techniques. Okay, and then second, we are going to see with DBT, and third, we are going to see with Python, and fourth, we are going to see with PySpark. So we are going to see multiple ways how we can implement ETL operations on Snowflake data. Once data is stored into Snowflake, we are going to see implement ETL operations using multiple ways so that uh, you will get a understanding of multiple technologies. Okay, and this course duration uh, 2 months, 2 months, and time 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. and Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, and weekends will discuss only these two: Python integration with the Snowflake and PySpark integration with the Snowflake team. PySpark integration with Snowflake. These classes we will discuss. First weekends we completely focus on this master Snowflake because first we need a data. So first we store data into Snowflake environment. Then we are going to discuss SQL concepts on SQL concepts on Snowflake. Then, along with this one, we are going to discuss ETL operations using Snowflake techniques. Parallelly, we are going to discuss weekends Snowflake integration with Python, PySpark integration with Python, and then once these techniques are completed, we are going to discuss DBT with Snowflake. And along with this one, we are going to discuss project setting, real-time projects. One, once Snowflake is completed, we are going to discuss Snowflake real-time project. And then once DBT is completed, we are going to discuss DBT with Snowflake, Snowflake project, DBT with Snowflake project. So these are the concepts we are going to discuss in this Snowflake master Snowflake with DBT within this 2 months duration. Regular class timings are 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. And myself, I'm Akkem Sreenivas. I'm having complete 15 plus years of IT experience. I started my career as a Java developer and moved to big data, and I'm working on different data engineering technologies. I mainly experienced into AWS data engineering. Along with AWS, I worked on different data engineering technologies, but major into AWS data engineering. Along with AWS data engineering, I have a exposure on data warehousing technologies. One AWS Redshift, another one is Snowflake. Integrating AWS data engineering with the Snowflake, integrating PySpark with the Snowflake, integrating DBT with the Snowflake. I have a good exposure on all these integrations team. Okay. Yeah.